Dave. Welcome guys to our YouTube channel. Guess that. We're here with our 3 lovely contestants. Say your name and your age, please.
I'm Josh and I'm 20 years old.
I'm Adam and I'm 18 years old.
My name's Dave, I'm 15.
Okay, we're here to guess different flavour chips. Each person will be able to get a blindfold. There you are. There you are. There you are.
Oh, thanks, mate.
Do I clip this myself?
Yes, you do. It could be yourself.
Okay.
There's 6 of them. There's 6 chips.
Oh.
There's 3 very easy chips, so you can easily guess. You get a point for the brand and the flavour, but the next 3 is the hard level, which is you get double points for the flavour only. If you guess the flavour exactly, you get 5. But if you guess like what type of, it's like lemon or whatever, you guess that. Yep. So you ready for the first one?
Do I win if I guess potato?
Oh yeah, wait.
You're a fucking twat.
I mean, they have potato chips.
And whoever wins can keep a bag of their chips that they like.
Yay.
So you can keep the bag.
What about the other 6 packs of chips? Are they just going in the bin?
Now you can share it around.
Oh, okay.
This is the first flavour. This is it. Turn the camera. Ready?
Yep.
A few moments later.
I think I know by the sounds.
Okay, go.
So, eat.
Yeah, you can
Oh.
go. Try it out. What are you tasting?
Morty, I'll turn myself into a chip. I'm Chippy Rick.
So flavour first.
You go flavour. 3, 2, 1.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Ooh.
That is correct, but do you know what brand it is?
Smiths.
Smiths!
No.
What?
Boys.
Oh, Josh got it right.
What?
Well done, Josh. Look at the wrong way, mate. The camera's in front of you.
They feel like Smiths.
I've had these before.
You take the blindfolds off, you can see what bag it is.
Yeah.
Oh, that's bright.
I've had that before.
This one.
Simple as, yeah.
Oh, those.
Ah, those.
3 days later.
This is the second one.
Uh-huh.
Turn the camera. Can you guess what it is?
Nope.
Go. There one.
Can we feel them now?
You can feel them. Exactly, this is it. This is the easy. You should get these. I'm gonna give you easy points.
You don't know the brand?
No.
You've never had these chips before?
I know
Have
the
you been
flavour.
living under a rock? So, flavour.
Flavor. Go. 3, 2, 1.
Honey soy
Nacho
chicken.
cheese.
Oh, nacho. That's what it is.
What is Will? I mean Dave.
Oh, it's the red packet of
Nacho
Doritos.
cheese.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
Doritos.
Yeah, Doritos. That's the brand.
That's
You know
what it
what?
is.
I'm giving Will 2 points.
Yeah!
Because look what it is. It's cheese supreme. It's not nachos.
Oh, cheese
but
supreme.
Will got the brand.
Oh, those.
Dave, look at it, mate. You got it right.
Damn.
Daniel?
You didn't know that was
Supreme!
No.
2 hours later.
Will
So
I
Josh,
am.
you've got 4. Adam, you got 3. And Dave, you got max 6.
Wow.
So now, this is the hard round. This is the chip.
Are these double points?
This is double points.
So you can get up to 4.
Yeah, exactly. This is practically impossible right now. So
I like how you gave us chili before we even tried this.
what is it?
I think I'm actually tearing up from the chili.
It wasn't even that spicy. Come
I
on.
know this.
What the hell is this? I've never had this before.
I think, I'm not too sure.
I know it.
What do you guess, Josh?
Lime?
Lime.
Yeah.
do you guess?
I guess lemon.
Lemon. What do you guess? You have to get the exact flavor.
Lime and lemon, Red Rock Deli.
Ooh.
No, it's
I
lime
can't-
and pepper, isn't it?
Or lime and pepper.
What brand?
What brand? Red Rock Deli.
What do we?
I'm gonna guess lemon, lime, and bitters by Red Rock Deli.
Okay, you get 2 points for the brand, but you get 0 points for the flavor.
Oh, really?
Oh.
What's the flavour?
Flavor is this. Great plain grilled steak
Oh, what
and
the fuck?
kimchi.
What the?
Oh, what?
That tastes like lime to me.
Yeah,
I didn't even know
that
what that brand
tasted
was
like the
called.
lime one.
Yeah. Like the lime and pepper, like the green pepper.
I did research for this. I just picked random chips from the supermarket.
Ah.
So that's the hard one it's going to be. Points is Josh has got 6, Adam has got 5, and Dave's got 6.
8.
Oh, 8, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the new one, your bag, chips. You won't get this one.
Yeah, probably not.
Okay, you're never going to get this one.
Probably not. I've never had these before.
The
I've never
feel
had
like
these.
cockroaches.
What do you taste right now?
It's just spicy. That's all I know.
What were you, Adam?
I'm gonna guess it is by Smith. Oh, I mean, the flavor I think is sweet chili and onion.
Onion. What were you, Dave?
Honey and caramel.
Ooh.
What brand? You guessing
Red
Dave?
Rock Deli.
Or you, Adam?
I'm guessing Smith.
Okay, what about you?
I'm just gonna go thins through.
Fins?
I
Yeah.
forgot about Thins.
Okay, this is the bag. Have a look.
It is kettle.
What the hell is kettle?
It is kettle.
What the?
It is.
What's the flavor? I'm blind.
It is
Barbecue
kettle.
spices
Fuck.
and sticky maple. That's like honey.
Exactly, it's obscure.
Oh,
So Will was closest.
Kettle was my second choice.
No one got any point.
2,000 years later.
It's the final bag. See what it is.
I think he dropped some.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a strong smell.
What are you tasting right now?
Just hot.
What are you, Adam?
Flavor or brand?
No, just how you feeling. What's in your taste buds?
It tastes like an oniony.
Please tell me you
kind
got
of
milk.
This is not high production.
thing. It's very
Fuck.
spicy.
Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Dave. What's your guess?
Kettle, vinegar, and chili.
Okay, Adam.
I'm gonna say Red Hot Pepper Thingy, that brand. I don't know if that's how it goes. That one.
Red Hot Chili Peppers.
That's
The band.
not that
Oh,
band.
okay.
And I'm for flavor. I am going to guess that it is spicy lemon and onion.
Okay. What about you, Josh?
I'm gonna go chili pepper and onion, and probably I'm gonna go Red Rock Deli, something different.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the one I meant.
Dave, you got a point for kettle. Ooh. But the flavor is this: sriracha chili and wild lime.
Sriracha.
Oh, it was lime, not lemon.
Ooh.
Yikes.
The loser for this episode of Guess That is Adam. Sorry, mate. You got 5 points. And this second place is Josh. Dave, 50-year-old Dave.
Got
50-year-old
him beat by a 15
has
year old.
won by 10 points.
I might be 15, but I can stand it up with the big boys
How did I
eating
lose
chips.
to a 15-year-old kid, man?
This is sad.
So here's
Might be
your
in
choice.
year 9, but I'm a genius.
Here's your choice of what chip you want to bring home. Here's your prize. Here's your prizes.
Spider-Man Doritos. You can never go wrong with Mexicans and Doritos.
Mexican Mysterio. It's a Mysterio.
And the loser gets a prize.
Punishment. He gets
Oh,
a
what?
punishment.
What?
It's a punishment prize.
Is it a punishment?
Since the theme for this flavor is chili,
How many
It's
times I've already
this.
said that I don't like chili?
it's maybe not chili as this, but you get chili rice wheels from IGA.
Yay.
Oh, you have a taste.
Please have one.
Have a taste.
Don't give me 3.
You gotta eat all 3 of them now.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, they're not bad.
You good? Can you taste?
No.
Which one are you? Josh, you're in second place. What do you want to? What do you want to bring?
Take the sandboys.
Well, that's it for our episode of Guess That. Chip flavors. Common theme here is chili, since everyone loves chili. So, how do you like that, guys? Josh, what do you like it?
That was shit.
I was hungry, and now I'm not.
I think Dave loved it the most. didn't you,
It
Dave?
was very spicy, to say the least.
But you got good feed from it, didn't you, at least?
Yeah, that's my dinner for the night.
Right, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and can't wait for the next episode.
Bye.
Yo guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I just finishing edit the video. Yeah, I hope you guys like the video and remember to like and subscribe for more. Please rate the video as well, so that means a lot to me because so I can get my views higher, so I can keep making more content. If you want to subscribe, you know, it's free. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. I really appreciate it.